back, you guys. We are out here on Sanibel tonight. We're gonna be doing some shark fishing. Third video we've tried to make in the last couple weeks. Hasn't been going too hot still since the hurricanes, but if you guys are seeing this, that means it's gonna be better tonight. Jacob's out here with us, my little brother. See if we can get him on a shark or two. But we're getting set up right now, so I'll see you guys when we get the lines in the water. Got our big bait here, little mackerel. Locked in. Let's get him out there. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna finish getting the rods out, and I'll see you guys when something happens. First run of the night, not even 15 minutes. Are you slack? Yeah, you're slack. Maybe, yeah. That's a good run.
Half so hard. It's under the Robalo bucket. No, it's under the Robalo bucket probably.
Nice little bull shark, probably 5.5, 6 feet. Nice little shark.
Hey, make sure he doesn't swim through your line there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Your turn. Just let him do his thing.
As soon as I pull it up, you're gonna start cranking. Go, crank. Get him. You got a big one. Yeah, real. Yeah, here, get him in the harness. Here, we'll hold it for you. Ready? We're gonna lift him.
There you go.
Put him in.
You're good. There it is. All right, you're right.
Here you go.
Might be a better one.
Get him.
It's a workout. It's a full body workout.
Is it loose on him?
Yeah.
Is the harness loose?
No, it's just pulling.
That's a good one, Jake. You got him. Woo! Gained some ground. You get tired?
No.
You got him.
Get him in. Put it in the work.
You good?
You gotta hold it in the harness. It likes to pop out.
Yeah, sure. Just crank. Woo! Pulling some line on you. No.
Yeah, make sure it stays snapped in.
Look at the rod bend. Woo!
That's a nice one, Jake.
Now he's getting tired.
You're almost to the mono.
You got it. You keep it tight. Keep it tight.
Crank. Keep cranking.
Keep cranking.
Crank. You're getting him. That's for sure.
There it is. There it is. Two-hand crank. I like it. Extra power.
We're on him tonight. He's almost there.
He's almost there. He's got it.
He's right in front of us somewhere. What do you think? 6-footer?
I'm going 6-foot pole.
He's pulling.
Look at the rod. Oh my God. This is crazy. Is that the leader? We got the leader. Here he comes. There he is. There he is. It's a lemon. You got a lemon.
No, lemons? No, that's a bull.
Bull?
That's a big one, Jacob.
Oh man.
It's like a 6-footer at least.
Woo!
Where's the fire?
Hey, we're running on the end.
Alright.
There's the one running down there.
Really?
It's either mine or yours.
Alright, hooks out. We're on again down there, so shoot a picture of you, Jake. First shark.
First shark.
Right here. Put the tail up.
Yeah, lift it up. High as you can get it.
Both hands got it. Lift it way up.
Yeah, there it is. Woo! Nice.
First shark.
First shark. All right, get a good release on him. Woo!
Oh, so we measure him quick?
Yeah, measure him up.
Pull his tail.
Nice.
6 foot on the dot. Or 6.5.
What is it?
6 feet.
6 foot.
Half an inch.
6 foot 1 inch.
Nice shark, dude.
Nice.
Alright, we're on again down there. Let this one go. Alright, bulls are biting tonight. Not even, we haven't even been out here for a half hour and we already got 3.
Joe, I need you to send me that picture.
I will.
That's a cool picture. I like that one.
Third one.
Got him.
All right, he's almost up right here.
Third one of the night. Already. Bulls all night. It's a Goliath grouper. Yeah. What the heck? Jacob, you want to see something new? That is awesome. Careful, the hook might pop. You better grab him. Grab him quick. Hook might pop.
Nice, dude.
Nice. All right. Pop the hook out quick and get him back.
That's a nice one. There it is. There we go.
Number 3. Let's get another one. All right, going back out. All right, guys, pack it up. Last one short here. Trying. Woo! Grab the harness. Not even the bottom. 100 yards. Damn. Can't tell. Full of bubbles.
cold. I got him though.
Yeah, Diener.
Gonna measure him?
Shout out to our boy.
Grab that measure. Right there. 92. Just like that. Tag is in. You just pull the dorsal fin. Pull that. He's green. She's green.
She's
Get a
green.
photo with him?
Oh, man. That's gotta make the cut. Swam off strong.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for the video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button. We caught 4 sharks to start after not catching anything since the hurricane. We're back out here in 2 days, so stay tuned. See you guys soon. Feel it style.